Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hare Krishna, dear devotees, welcome to our ISKCON Guru official YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss Srimad Bhagavatam 6th canto, 17th chapter, text 18. From 16 to 25, these 10 verses describe Chitraketu, the speech to Mother Parvati. So Chitraketu says, Sansara chakra etasmin jantur ajnana mohita Brahman Shukam cha Dukham cha Bhunkte Sarvatra Sarvada. That means, Prabhupada Maharaj said, deluded by ignorance, the living entity wanders in the forest of this material world, enjoying the happiness and distress resulting from his past deeds everywhere and at all times. Therefore, my dear mother, neither you nor I am to be blamed for this incident. So, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj in his purport says that to get free from the karma chakra, the wheel of the results of one's karma, one should take to Bhakti Marga, devotional service or Krishna consciousness. That is the only remedy. Sarva dharman parityaja mam ekam saranam braja. Bhagavad Gita 1866. So, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur in his purport says, this is the nature of the wheel of samsara. It is not surprising. The Lord has made this wheel. And Sripad Siddhar Swami says, Ayam cha sansara chakra svabhava eva na chitram ityaha. This is the nature of this wheel of this samsara, material world. There is no surprise in it. So, I am going to speak some more verses. Srimad Bhagavatam 6th canto, 17th chapter, text 20. This is also Chitraketu's reply to Parvati Devi. He says, Guna Prabhaha etasmin ka sapaha ko nu anugraha ka swargo narakaha va ko narakaha ko va kim sukham dukham eva va. So, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj in his translation says, this material world resembles the waves of constantly flowing river. Therefore, who is a cause, or what is a cause and what is a favor? What are the heavenly planets and what are the hellish planets? What is actually happiness and what is actually distress? Because the waves flow constantly, none of them has an eternal effect. So, in the purport, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj says, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Bhakti Vinod Thakur sings Michhe Mayar Vase Jacha Vaise Khacha Havu Du Bhai. That means, my dear living entities, within this material world, why are you being carried away by the waves of the modes of material nature? Jiva Karma, Jiva Krishna Dasa, E Vishwas, Karlatva, Dukha Nahi. If the living entity tries to understand that he is an eternal servant of Krishna, there will no longer be misery for him. So, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur in his purport says that everything that falls into a salt mine becomes salty. And thus, everything that falls into the sansar becomes sansar. And Srila Siddhar Swami in his purport says that evam tavat sukha dukhadikam angikrityoktam idanim tadapi vastuto nasti ityaha. So though Parvati Devi curses him, but he accepts it. And idanim tadapi vastuto nasti. Actually, it is not there. So, I speak some more verses also. Srimad Bhagavatam, 6th canto, 17th chapter, text 28. Narayana parasarve na kutastan vibhyati swargapavarga narkesvapi tulyartha darsana. That means, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj in his translation says, devotees solely engaged in the devotional service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayana, never fear any condition of life. For them, the heavenly planets, liberation, and the hellish planets are all the same. For such devotees are interested only in the service of the Lord. Only in the service of the Lord. And nothing else. So, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj in his purport says that Parvati might naturally have inquired how devotees become so exalted. Therefore, this very explains this verse explains that they are Narayanapara. Narayanapara means simply dependent on Narayana. Narayanapara. So, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur in his purport says that Nanu evam. What is the reason that devotees have such greatness? They are fixed in Narayana. That is the only reason. Not only Chitraketu and others, but all devotees have no fear. Swarga, liberation, and hell are all equal because they are useless, since they do not have the happiness of bhakti. So, in the happiness of bhakti, Srila Siddhaswami in his purport says that Swargadau eva tulyo artha pravojanam iti drashtum silam jesam te tatha. For the devotee, Swargadi eva tulya, equal for him, the day and heaven or the hell also equal. Artha pravojanam iti drashtum silam jesam te tatha. So, Chitraketu explains this difficulty or whatever it comes, it is of no value. So, Chitraketu says like this. Srila Jiva Goswami in his Karma Sandarbha says, Sri Narayanam Bina Anyatra Hanupadan Nadri. It means is okay, there is no translation. So anyway, so this is Narayana Parasarve Nakutasana Vibhyati Swargapava Narkesu Tulyati Darsina. Very important words of Shivaji. So anyway, thank you very much for listening to this lecture, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like our channel and get the blessings of the Lord. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. I am showing some glimpses of Bali. This is a place. I see so many visitors, and they have come. This is festival, and here the history is that one monk came here, and because of some problem with the king, he shifted the land to this ocean, this island. So now you see so many visitors are visiting here. This is Indian Ocean, and there are some temples here. This says performed austerity here. So actually, so to say, it is a tirtha. We are very fortunate to be in this tirtha, and we are also video shooting Chaitanya Charitamrita. So I am going to show some of the glimpses in our series. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.